I'm taking it off. Out of a brand spanky new Hyundai Sonata. Like my seat. And I'm so upset. It doesn't tell me what it is on the horn. So weird. So, one screw right there. It is this guy. This puppy is a cover right in here. All right, so pop the cover off with a tool just like this guy. Phillips head, hello. And then I pulled right from here. I pulled and pulled and pulled. And it popped off in my hands. So, get it completely off. There you go. And then we got the door switch. There you have it. All right, next is the door panel. Door panel. Hello, door mirror. So we're going to unplug this guy first. You don't have to because I already pulled this guy out of the way. And this has got some clips. This was sitting here. Copy? Look, it even gives you a handle. Grab it right there and pull. That's what I did. Came right off. Now, 3 10 mils. 1, 2, 3. All removed. And what I like about these new cars, they have this little tab right here. This guy keeps the mirror in place so it doesn't go whoop down onto the floor and 17 years bad luck. 7 years bad luck. Whatever. So let's squeeze this down, make sure this puppy will fall right out. And I bet you it will. So let me do it with both hands. And it does. There you go. Pull this guy out, and we are completely out. Here's your door mirror. Do not drop it. Put it back the way you found it. So let's line them up, put it back, and let's move forward. Now she's back in. You can take the 10 mil, put it in your hand on the nut. Doing it by hand is always the easiest. All 3. And then hit it with a drill. Let's show you. A little trick. Use your finger to hold the bolt onto the socket. Just get it started. Do all 3. And then there you go. Put it all back. Plug it in. Pop the cover back in. Put the other 2 back in. And you're good to go. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.